Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share you beautiful buttercrafts ideas. So I hope you will enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is weavers. Button wall art. Take a canvas or cardboard, draw simple shapes like a heart or tree. Apply glue inside the design. Start placing button one by one. Use different color and size. Let it dry completely. Your button art is ready. Beautiful for wall decoration. Butter candle holder. Let's make a button candle holder. Weavers. Let's make a button candle holder. Take a glass jar, apply glue on the outer surface. Now stick buttons all around the jar. Let it dry fully. Place the candles inside. Your button candle holder is ready. It looks colorful and unique. And friends, next idea is friends, button decorated pouch. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon, viewers, so for more latest updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care and recruit the